Today we are going to deal with the lesson An Astrologer's Day, written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan. His real name was Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy, shortly R.K. Narayan. Active years 1906 to 2001. He was eminent writer. He was known for short stories, fictional stories. Malgudi Days is one of the well-known example of fictional South India. He won many awards. To name few, Padma Vibhushan Sahitya Akademi Award, published in 1947. He wrote 34 novels. To name a few, The Dark Room in 1938, The English Teacher 1945, Waiting for Mahatma 1955, The Guide in 1958. Won Sahitya Akademi Award in 1961. The Man-Eater of Malgudi 1961. Fiction Malgudi, Swamy and Friends 1935, The Bachelor of Art 1937, Myth, The Abduction of Sita 2006. Theme: fear, freedom, appearance, guilt and relief. Genre: fictional, mythological and non-fictional. His writing style: graceful, marked by humor, elegance and simplicity. Portrays the peculiarities of human relationship, unique Indianness and a simplicity which is utterly charming and authentic. Setting of place: a town in the outskirts of a city located in India. Setting in time post-colonial. Language represents the low social class of the region and the use of dialect typical Indian. Plot: an astrologer goes out from his village to find a better life. Happens to be an astrologer by chance. Climax: an astrologer felt scared when he told about something happened in the past. An astrologer told to Guru, that is a stranger, that he must stop looking for a man who tried to kill him in the past. Moral message: we must be responsible about what we have done and should not run away from our mistakes. Character: as you will see to it that there are only 3 characters in the chapter. Title: An Astrologer's Day arose curiosity as something might have happened on that particular day. It attracts the reader to go through the text. An astrologer's day. Here, a day is a specific day in the life that can be the turning point of somebody's life. The title is very interesting and creates curiosity in the mind of the reader. The writer extended the word with a particular purpose as it was used by Churchill. Everyone has his day. Title creates curiosity in the mind of the reader about the astrology and astrologer's life. It also creates interest in reading to find out what is that particular day of the astrologer in the story. Astrologer. Astrologer, he is an ordinary person. He is the protagonist of the story. Liar, irresponsible, unearthly. Practices to be a genuine astrologer. Read people well and could judge them by their character. The astrologer lived with his family in a town. He was an astrologer only by profession. He had done no training for becoming an astrologer. His experiences and style of replying attracted and delighted his customer. He worked at a place where there was some or the other activity going on. At midday, he began his job by seeking out who need to know more about their future. The astrologer, as a youngster, drank, gambled, and quarreled with other people. Once, under the influence of alcohol, he had fought with a man, stabbed and pushed him down a well. He is just an ordinary man who practices to be a genuine astrologer. When the client would sit down, he would allow the client to talk for 10 minutes so that he had enough information to go on. He could read people well and was able to judge them of their characters. Second character, that is of Guru Nayak, the stranger. Aggressive, curious, and stubborn. He is the man whom the astrologer tried to murder several years before the story took place. Astrologer's wife, calm and wise, introduced only at the end of the story. She is shocked to learn that her husband had tried to murder Guru, the stranger, before he left his village and they were married. In the end of the story, R.K. Narayan interestingly explores the theme of relief. The astrologer feels relieved that Guru is not dead, as it lifts a great weight from the astrologer's shoulders. How relaxed the astrologer is noticeable by the way that he explains his story to his wife. Comment on ending. Astrologer tells the truth to his wife, and that is very important thing, because he is sincere and that makes his wife trust in him. The ironical fact about the protagonist is that he is a gambler and a murderer. He is the person who is ignorant of his own future and becomes an astrologer. The writer reveals how the only qualification needed to be an astrologer in India is saffron clothes, a few charts, tilak, and a keen observation of human nature along with the presence of mind. The astrologer should have been greatly relieved that he is not a murderer after all, and he has managed to put Guru, that is a stranger, off, and he should not have bothered about how much money he had received Yet, when he realizes that Guru, stranger, has cheated him of some money, he is angry. I hope by now the content is very clear to you. That's all for the day. Thank you.